Hey beauties, it's Riri. Welcome back, or welcome if you are new. Welcome on into today's video. This is going to be a short and sweet one. I just wanted to demo for you guys the Empress press-on lashes. They're literally just called the Kiss Empress Press-On Falsies. I have the Wispies. I also bought more because I love them so much. And anytime that you've seen me with a little extra something, it's been these. And I just want to show, especially for somebody like me, I'm in a different angle just to show you guys, but especially for somebody like me that has horrible eyesight, and you have trouble applying lashes and stuff like that because of your eyesight, I just want to demo these and just show you guys how incredibly easy these are. They last all day long. I have zero irritation. I have incredibly sensitive eyes. I have a lot of allergies and stuff like that, so I avoid typically eyeliners and lashes, just noting that. So I'm going to go in, and I like that there's a short, a medium, and a long. As you can see, I've used most of the shorts already. I'm going to go in today and do 2 medium and probably 1 short on each eye. I will show one in real time with you guys. Of course, I'm going to have to get up in my mirror, so I apologize for that. I typically, because I didn't realize that this was just like a refill pack, I typically just go in with my regular tweezers. So I am going to go ahead and open this pack. This is the Naturals pack with mediums and longs, and then it has the little applicator tweezer as well. So I'm going to go in and pick up the medium first. And you'll get an extra little bit of glue on here, I would say, to peel off like the extra little piece that's on here. And then I'm literally going to pick it up on the tweezer. And I'll try to do this eye so you guys can hopefully see this. But I gently lift the eye. I do already have mascara on. That is my preference. And you're going to just tuck this right at the lash line. I let it go, and I lightly pinch. You can pinch it with this, and then I'm going to pinch it gently, very, very gently. And that is it. I did get this one a little bit crooked, but hopefully you guys can see that, just how easy that is. I'm going to go in with another one. Again, if there's extra glue, like a larger piece of glue, you want to go ahead and take that off. And then again, a light pinch. And you can see that one I did a little bit better than this one right here. But you can adjust them a little bit. I just kind of push it with the actual applicator. Sorry about that, y'all. My camera ran out of freaking storage. Anyways, here's where we're at. You can see the difference in the before and the after. And then I'd like to take a short one. And if I'm not, recording this, literally, this takes no time. I do not feel them at all. They last all day long. Like, you guys, they're incredibly comfortable. So if you are somebody that has struggled, or you have very sensitive eyes, whatever the case may be, I really think that you should try these if you've been looking for lashes to try. And then this one, again, I'm just going to lightly lift, pop it right at the natural lash line. Or I can totally miss the entire thing. I'm used to using my regular tweezers. I might honestly just grab those. Again, lifting. And you'll kind of feel it grab too. Like I can, feel it kind of grabbing my lashes. And then again, a teeny tiny little pinch. And then I can kind of zhuzh it as I need to. But again, you can see it's not on my actual water line. And they blend in so incredibly well. I think they're so beautiful. And this is enough for me. I kind of squished that one a little bit, so I'm going through it. This is enough for me, kind of having the more wispy ones. But they have very dramatic ones. As you can see, my eyes are not watering. They're not red. And I love doing the longer one out here and then kind of bringing it in some. I could maybe do one more, but I don't want to trust that. I like how this looks. but they do last all day. They remove incredibly easily as well. Like, they're great. They're fantastic. So I just wanted to demo that, especially if you are somebody like me that you do have allergies, very sensitive eyes, things like that, or you're blind as a bat and can't see. These are great. I literally get right here, right in front of my mirror. It does take a little bit of finagling. Like, I haven't used this particular type of, like, applicator. I will show you guys mine. I use this one, or I use my regular tweezers. So, you know, maybe your first time you might have to, like, get used to it just a little bit. But, I mean, you guys can see how many I've used. I love them, and they're on sale all the time at Ulta. And, like, you can get the little kit. And you can get the little kit that has all of it together. So I'm excited about this. I think that it's just enough. You guys, I'm not a huge fan of like big, massive lashes. I don't like them. I think that they take away and deter from the eye look. Whereas this, it just kind of elongates the eye a little bit, kind of lifts it a little bit, and you can still see the beautiful eyeshadow. So that is it for today. Thank y'all for joining me. I appreciate it so much. Thank you to my beautiful channel members. I love you. Stay happy, healthy, and safe. And of course, be your own best beautiful. Bye, beauties.